Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I will show you how to add a link to your TikTok bio. So by using this trick you can easily add your YouTube channel or Instagram page link, and this will help you to increase your TikTok followers and views. So anyway, how to do it? So let's go to our tutorial. So first of all, open your TikTok mobile application. So now in this homepage section, you can press this me icon and it is placed at the bottom of fifth one, and it shows my TikTok profile informations. So here you can press edit profile option, and this will help you to change your profile photo, username and other details. But some YouTube videos shows you can add your link in website section, but unfortunately here I does not have this website column. Then how to add your link? So for example, here I try to add my YouTube channel link. So simply you can press YouTube section and the final one, and then it asks for my YouTube channel name, which means that which account you want to link it. So I try to select one of them, and you can give the permission to access your Google account informations. So by simply press allow option. So finally you can see now my YouTube channel is successfully linked with my TikTok profile. So at same time, if you want to add any website link, so just put it in this bio section. So for example, I try to add Facebook. So once you enter the URL and then click to save these changes, and then go back to your profile section. So here you can see it shows that Facebook link. So same way you can add your website link within this bio section. So due to the video time duration, I finished up my tutorial. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box, and thanks for watching.